everyone, and welcome to this tutorial video for learning Webex. Webex is an application that allows you to have a synchronous discussion with your students. Especially in an online class, this is something that's very useful because what it allows you to do is bring a human element to your course. Whereas normally everything is sort of uploading assignments and there isn't really any interaction, something like this will allow you to have that live discussion and for your students and you to get to know each other. So to start, I have wagner.edu open here, and if I want to go to the Webex website, I just go here to the top and type in wagner.webex.com, and then here's my login screen here. To sign in, here on the left hand side you click sign in, and it's going to ask you for your username and password, which is going to be the same as your all access pass or what you use to access your email. Once you've logged in, you can schedule a meeting by clicking schedule a meeting here on the right hand side, or you can click meetings here on your menu on the left and click schedule a meeting. So I'm going to put for our meeting topic Disney discussion, since that is what we've been going over for our course here. You can put a meeting password if you would like, but you don't have to. And here under date and time is where you're going to put the date, the time, and how long your conversation is going to be. So I'm going to look on the calendar here. I'm going to keep it the same date, but I want to make it for 3 o'clock. And then how long it's going to be. So just for an hour is all I want to put. Press done when you've done that. And if you want to, you can make it a reoccurring meeting by pressing recurrence and choose the pattern, when you're going to have it reoccur on, and if you have a specific end date, you could do that as well. I'm not going to do that for this example, so I want to uncheck that. And here under attendees, you're going to put who is invited to this conversation. So I'm just going to put in an email address here and press enter, and there is our email address, but you can also separate them with commas if you have multiple. If you click on show more, there's a few more options you can choose. You could choose to automatically start recording this session when the meeting starts. And if you have an alternate host on here, you can check off anyone with a host account if you want to do that. You can also list an agenda here if you want to let anybody know what you're going to be learning in this particular session. I'm just going to leave mine empty for now and press schedule. So what's going to happen now is I'm going to get an email in my inbox letting me know that I've scheduled the meeting, and anyone that I've invited is also going to get an email letting them know I've invited them, and there will be a link inside of their email that they can go ahead and click on that will take them to the meeting, and they'll be able to join it once the host starts it. The host is going to be you, and once you have started that meeting, they'll be able to join it. So scheduling a meeting is as simple as that. In our next video, we're going to discuss how to join a meeting and some of the features that go along with hosting this particular conversation.